Hello everyone. The Umkhonto Wesizwe party's internal squabbles have been laid bare following the sudden withdrawal from the parliamentary candidates list of one of its senior members in KwaZulu-Natal. In an explosive letter penned to the national leadership, including former President Jacob Zuma, Phumlani Mfeka said Zuma had lost control of the party and that it was now run by opportunists who infiltrated the party from the ANC. Mfeka, who is the founder of Injeje, Yabenguni socio-political group that champions African nationalism, has fingered a senior ANC National Executive Committee member from the province whom he accused of using several former ANC members in the MK party as his proxies. He named former ANC and South African National Civic Organization leader Thulani Gamede as being among the spies of the ANC NEC member. It is not yet clear what interests the NEC member would have in the MK party. Mfeka said his decision to pull out from the list was informed by his group's investigation report, which revealed that Zuma appeared to have lost control of the party and the lack of the transparency on the list nominations. He said there had been no consultations on who was supposed to be on the parliamentary and provincial legislatures list, saying it had been decided by a few opportunists who had taken control of the organization. He said he was called on his cell phone by Gamede at the last minute to bring his ID document so that he could be included in the parliamentary list. He said, "I was called on March 7, which was the Electoral Commission of South Africa's deadline for the submission of the list. I asked myself why I was called by Gamede, just a regional convener, not by Mosintringila, who is the head of elections. I got suspicious, but I accepted that my name be included on the list." Gamede is currently the convener of the party in the eThekwini region. Mfeka questioned the MK party's source of funding. He said they were all surprised and asked themselves who funded the first and successful party rally in KwaXimba, west of Durban. He added that it had come to their attention that the rally was funded by business people aligned with the opportunists who were now in control of the party. Party insiders said the cracks within the party and Mfeka's outburst could have serious consequences for the party's performance in the May 29 elections if not swiftly addressed, as unhappiness among Zuma supporters grew. One insider said Mfeka, through his Injeje group, wielded influence over the traditional leaders whom Zuma regarded as very important constituency. Mfeka was said to have on several occasions led Amakhosi and had men to Gandla to meet with Zuma, and many had endorsed the party. The party avoided going to an elective conference, fearing disunity caused by members jostling for positions. It announced that it would hold the conference after the elections. There's also talks that those elected to parliament, especially the top 10, would have to vacate their seats if not elected into party positions. Gamede, who was once touted as a premier candidate for the party in the province, dismissed Mfeka's accusations and said that it was no secret that they were former ANC members, and also it was common cause that they left friends and relatives in the ANC, which if they were seen with should not be construed as plotting against the MK party. Mfeka was expected to meet with Zuma in Kandla this weekend. ANC provincial spokesperson Mafika Mdebele denied any involvement in the party, saying the only concern the ANC had with Zuma's party was that it should stop using MK's name as it was heritage of the ANC. What's your take on this one, people? Thanks for watching. Please subscribe for more news.